Oh my gosh, I didn't see you there, guys. Hey, Robby here, and I was just spending some time on my ClickBank Platinum Award, and what that means is I made over $500,000 this year. In fact, I did way more than that. I made $1.8 million so far this year promoting other people's offers on ClickBank, and in fact, I'm the #1 affiliate in the entire world. And so what I do is, in the way that I've been able to be so successful, is I take other people's products that are high converting on ClickBank and I run Facebook ads to them, and that's how I make my money, and that's how I become the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world. And in fact, 4 short years ago, I didn't have an online business. I was just a personal trainer. And so what I've done is, after I became the #1 affiliate, I put together a brand new training because I want to help other people get there. In fact, it's my mission this year to help out over 2,000 people learn the same system that I'm using right now to generate big commissions online each and every day. And so I put this training together. It starts today, so make sure you register for the training above by clicking that link. And on this training, I'm gonna share with you a ton of stuff, right? I'm gonna share with you why I think this is the easiest and best way to make money online today. It's not a Shopify store, it's not e-commerce, you don't deal with inventory, you don't even need to have your own product. You just need to have a ClickBank account and a Facebook account. And the great thing about that too, guys, is you can do it anywhere in the world. So for example, I was just in Brazil recently on a trip for vacation, and I was able to continue to make money. I just need a Wi-Fi connection and a laptop and I'm good to go. And also the great thing about this program, guys, is you're able to have success even if you have no experience whatsoever. In fact, we have hundreds of students that are using this system each and every day that are making thousands of dollars each and every day. And they started out with literally no experience whatsoever. Some didn't even know how to run an ad when they first started. And now they're making money and they're having a lot of success and a lot of freedom. So if you're tired of working the 9 to 5, if you want to have freedom online, if you've been trying to do an online business but struggled and just haven't found that, that breakthrough, then this is going to be an awesome training for you. So go ahead, click that link above, register for my free training, and also at the end of the training, I'm going to share with you the exact ad that I'm using right now for the past 3 years. This made me over $1,000 per day, and I'm going to give that ad to you for free. So make sure you register for the free training, click that link above, and I'll see you on the inside.